Whoa. You've been shelved for quite a while there, huh? All dust. Not a problem. Oh, let's get you out of there. Oh. Well, we'll get this later. And I'm back. Welcome back to YouTube. Those of you who stuck around, you've been waiting for a long time, here's your video. Yeah, here's the scoop. I got 3 projects we're gonna be working on. First one's in my shed. I got this little pit bike. It doesn't run, need to figure out why. Next one. Say peekaboo. Oh, for those of you who were with me a long time ago, you guys know exactly what this one is. X7. I want to put those back together, start riding it again. And then, that X18. All my plastics are done for on this one, but I do have a new motor in it. Make sure you're subscribed. I'm going to be dedicating a whole video to one of these bikes. Which one do you think it'll be? Make sure to drop a comment. Hit the like button for me and make sure you share this video. Stay awesome.